you see?
Yeah.
I want to let you draw a pretty picture. Draw me a picture. Draw me a picture. Draw me a picture. Let me see you draw Bruiser. Draw Daddy. Can you draw Daddy?
No.
Can you draw Daddy?
No.
Can you draw Mama?
No.
Can you draw Ashlyn?
No.
Can you draw Brindley?
No.
Can you draw a tree?
No.
What can you draw?
I don't know.
You don't know? What are you putting in Papa's pocket? Huh? What are you putting in Papa's pocket? Toys?
Yeah.
You putting toys in Papa's pocket?
Yep.
You are? Are they supposed to go in there? Are they supposed to go in Papa's pocket? Is that where they go?
Papa,
What?
eat those.
Get those? Do I need those?
No.
I don't? What do I need? Huh?
Toys.
Toys?
Yeah.
I need toys?
Not out in your shirt.
And
Not out in your shirt.
I got a hole in my shirt?
Yeah. I
Where-
can see it.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Right there? Huh. Papa, I need to get a new shirt?
Yep.
I do?
Let me put the toys there.
You putting the toys in my shirt?
Yep.
You are? Do they go in there?
There's
Is that where they go?